coming to Sight and Sound Theaters in Branson, Missouri.
We feast in the grandest city in the world. Let all beautiful, unmarried women throughout the empire be brought to the king's palace.
He made it alone, Mordecai. They are taking them whether they want to go or not.
Her life changed forever when she entered the palace doors.
You can't tell anyone you're a Hebrew.
Why?
It's the only way we can keep you safe.
What's your name?
My name is Esther.
Prepare the crown.
Now, with a crown on her head and a secret in her heart, can she find the courage to trust in God's plan?
All Jews throughout the Persian Empire are sentenced to death.
I'm afraid for her.
She's stronger than you think.
God has a plan. There is an enemy. You have a choice.
My king, my life is in your hands.
Experience this captivating tale of beauty and bravery as it comes to life in the original stage production.
The Lord is still with us.
Perhaps you were made for such a time as this.
Queen Esther, live on stage at Sight and Sound Theaters in Branson, Missouri.